baby. Whoa! Hey guys! Oh, Wally here. Didn't know we were doing a demo today, but since you're here, this happens to be the brand new 2010 Hyundai Genesis 3.8 liter ZF 6-speed automatic, 307 horsepower and 266 foot-pound of torque. That's power. Now, as you can see here, we've got some beautiful rims, low profile. That'll get the ladies. One lamp freshener and take a look at the fog lights. Now, the fog lights are great. It keeps your visibility better in the fog. So, anyways, we'll go around here a little more. Also, you got some blinkers here on the lights, right there. What that does is it helps people that are coming towards you or from the sides passing see when you're going to turn or pull out. Now, this car in particular, come on around here and take a look inside. This car comes with several options. One of my favorite options is the F1 paddle shifts, so you can change gears like you're driving a race car, like I was doing a little earlier before you snuck up on me. We've got power seats, heated seats, sunroof, 6-speed automatic, power windows, power locks, cruise control, 6-disc CD player, XM satellite radio. We've got heaters, we've got a steering wheel, we got blinkers. This thing also comes with a speedometer and a trip, so you can see how many kilometers you go. The other thing that this also comes with is door handles. 2 door handles. Actually, there's 4, because there's 2 on the inside and 2 on the outside. So 4 door handles. Let's take a peek under the hood. I already told you about it, but it doesn't hurt to see it. Oh, where is it there? There we go. Look at that. That's sexy. Anyway, you have to get a good look of it. Like I said, 307 horsepower, 266 foot-pounds of torque. Now, as you can see, there's also a fair amount of room in the back. It comes standard with 6 airbags, and you're safe in this thing just like the rest of the Hyundai products. Safety is a major thing for Hyundai. Come on around back here. As you can see, it's the Genesis Coupe. Now in the back here, you can fit a couple sets of golf clubs, and maybe, I don't know, if you're going to play cricket on the weekend, you can put your cricket gear back there, no problem at all. I know that's what I use it for. If you pull right here, and then you just pull in the back seats, they fold down flat. So if you need to put something back there, like a pogo stick, the seats fold down. There's no problem at all. You can probably fit about 8 or 9 pogo sticks back there. So the other thing that's well liked about this vehicle is it has a proximity key. What the proximity key does is you can put it in your pocket, or under your hat or in your sock or wherever you want to put your key. And as long as the key is close to the door, you simply press this button, and it'll unlock the doors or lock the doors. And then you just open it. And because of the proximity key, you don't have to take it out of your sock or your pocket or your hat or wherever you got it. It's a push button start. You just push the button and it starts. Pretty cool. So, maybe just get a quick look inside there. Yep. You'll be able to get a date with anyone in that thing. Anyway, also you can see here the seats fold down. It's easy to get in and out of the back seat. Lots of room. You might not want to go parking back there because there's not that much room, but it's still good for a little drive. Anyway, until next time, I'm Wally, straight out of Amherst, Nova Scotia, ScotiaHyundai.com. Other than that, stay out of trouble and drive a Hyundai.